The following segment is sponsored by Kolbe Clinic.
And welcome back to Talk of Alabama. The Kolbe Clinic is a treatment center that specializes, welcome back to Talk of Alabama. The Kolbe Clinic is a treatment center, let's try that again, that specializes in everything from detox to medication-assisted treatment to even counseling. Now, they're devoted to recovery. We've got the CEO and founder, William, here to tell us a little bit more about it. Welcome to you.
Thank you.
I'm glad you're here. Tell me about your center.
Okay, so we treat chemical dependency outpatient. Our programs were developed by board-certified addiction specialists, so we have medication-assisted treatment, counseling. We treat opioid dependency, benzodiazepines, and alcohol. We use medications for treatment like Suboxone, naltrexone products, and we have abstinence-based programs as well. So we have LPCs on staff and for counseling as well.
And how do you help the patients?
Like I said, we have medication-assisted treatment, which is long-term treatment for specifically most times that's for opioids and alcohol specifically. We do short-term detoxes as well for benzodiazepines and alcohol when we can. A lot of times that's done inpatient, but we do it outpatient quite often.
And what about the counseling aspect?
Well, that's the most important thing we do. Medication alone is not treatment. That's, you know, the studies prove that it requires counseling and mental health care as well as physical care for the patient. So we have licensed professional counselors on staff, specifically Jill Scott is one of our LPCs, and she's awesome.
Okay.
She does a great job.
And what do you think sets your practice apart from, say, others out there?
Compassion. We like to hire patients who have former addiction issues. And because of that, I think that our staff understands the problems that our patients are going through, and they're not treated like a number, they're treated like a person. And I think in the addiction community, a lot of times patients feel like they're not paid attention to, they're not listened to, and that's different with us.
That's a great point. Do you guys take insurance?
We do not right now. We are hoping to, we are exploring the option of possibly doing that in the next 6 months, but insurance does cover any medications that the patients are prescribed. That's the most expensive part of the program anyway. That's
fantastic then. What about the price for the program?
So our program is $150 per month for medication-assisted treatment, and counseling is an extra $20 for individual, $10 for group, which for LPCs is incredibly cheap.
And where are you located exactly?
We have 4 locations. We just opened a new center in Birmingham on Montclair Road. We have a new one in Tuscaloosa, just off of Bryant Drive. And we have 2 other offices, one in Chelsea and one in downtown Jasper. Okay,
the most important question, how do people at home maybe get an appointment or contact you via social media or online? So we have a Facebook page. We have a website, kolbeclinic.com. And they can always call us for an evaluation at 205-618-9899. Okay, the phone number as well as the website at the bottom of your screen, kolbeclinic.com. Again, thank you so much, William, for being here today. Thank you for having me. Of course.